guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Giselle if you're new here. Hello, welcome. So today's video is a makeup look on this very glam makeup that I have on my face. And also, if you're wondering how I got this slick long ponytail, I do have a tutorial, so I'll link it up here so that you guys can go watch it. Hopefully that helps you out. I thought what better time, because it is the holiday season and I noticed that I do not have a makeup tutorial on my channel and it's been a long time, so I'm sitting down with y'all to recreate this look, and I'll see you with no makeup in just a couple of seconds. We're starting off very zoomed into my face because I want to start with the eyes. All I know right now is that I want to use the Subculture palette by Anastasia. I've actually seen this palette at TJ Maxx for like really cheap. I don't know why, because it's super great quality, and I mean, yes, maybe the colors are not as wearable, but they're really good quality. They might even have it at Marshall's. I wouldn't know, I don't have one. I'm gonna start with my eyes by priming them with a concealer first. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna be leaving all the products, shades, everything that you need to know down in the description box so that you guys can look at that. I'm not going to set my concealer, I'm just going to go in straight to a color that looks like this. I'm going to apply it in my crease using a fluffy brush from Morphe. This shade is a little darker. It looks a lot darker on the skin than in the pan, so just be warned if you are pale like me. It's a very deceiving shade. So I'm just rocking this crease shade all up in here. Circular motions to make sure that the eyeshadow is well blended and blown out, because we don't want anyone at our Christmas party talking crap about our eyeshadow, okay? So make sure that you blend it. Okay, after that I'm going in with the color All Star from the palette. It's a very dark shade. So I'm gonna recommend you guys to go very diligently with this shade so that you don't like mess up right away. It's very pigmented, so just be warned, okay? So I'm gonna start at the outer part of my eye, stamp it, and then just slowly work that into the outer corner, buffing it in with this smaller fluffy brush. So I think this brush is a little too big, because if I do any more blending, it's going to just ruin everything. So I'm going to use an even smaller fluffy brush from Morphe. This is their Y7 brush. It's very unique. I have never seen any brush like this. It kind of tapers in like this. So I didn't apply any of that All-Star shade. I'm just going in with it clean and buffing whatever I just stamped on my eyelid. Okay, after that, I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and go in with that shade again, just to touch up wherever I overblended. I'm going in with the original fluffy brush that we first started out with and blending the very top of that where those two shades meet, just to ensure that everything is blended. And I'm going to do that on the other side. And we're back. So now I have both eyes done. Now we're going into the actual lid color. So that's the shade Adorn. Adorn is very creamy, but I'm still going to go in with my concealer just to clean up the lid. If you've never done this step, it really does make a difference. It makes your eyeshadow look a lot more expensive, very Instagram-y, you know what I mean? Now for the lid shade, you could either use your finger or a brush. I always use my finger, but today I just feel like using a brush. I don't have like a lot of towels on my desk right now to clean my fingers. But I'm going to use this flat shader brush from Zoeva. This is their Luxe Smoky Shader 234. And I'm going to spray it with some setting spray from Morphe. You could use Fix Plus or even water. And pat that on the wet concealer because I didn't set this concealer, so it's gonna adhere to the wetness. And if you have a lot of folds in your eyelids, looking down at a mirror, which is what I'm doing right now, really helps, especially when doing an eyeshadow look like this. Okay, and then going in with a fluffy brush that I previously used, I'm going to I haven't put any product on it. I'm just going to mend those two shades together. I'm going to do this other one real quick. To complete the eyeshadow look, I think I'm just going to add a little bit of this Rowdy shade in the outermost part of my eye. I lied. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this Tarte Chrome Paint in Beach Bay just to top it off right here. I feel like that would really make a difference. So let's try it out. I'm using my finger. Oh yeah. Look at the difference. So good. I am going to put a little bit of Shwing Liner, so I'm going to use Kat Von D's Trooper Black Liner. This is one of the best liners at Sephora. So I'm going to shape my wing using this, and then I'm going to fill it in with the Shwing Liner from The Balm. This one is so matte. I'm just going to use that to fill in my wing. I haven't done a wing liner in such a long time. A little wing moment. I love Louis Castora. See all that fallout? One of the downfalls of this eyeshadow palette is that it is super pigmented, that it does have a lot of fallout. So that's a shame. Alright, I'm back and I did do my eyebrows and I put eyelashes on. So when I was putting on this eyelash, I actually ripped it in like 3 pieces on accident. I didn't mean to do that. And I just had to like literally piece it together on my eyes, but it looks like it's one strip. Anyway, these are Queen Bee by Koko. You guys know that these are one of my favorites. I love how they still allow for the eyeshadow to shine through, but it still gives you that va-va-voom eyelash look. And then for eyebrows, I use the Benefit Brow Zing powder. This comes with a wax and a powder, but I really like the shade of the powder. And to set my brows, I used my brow soap that I've been telling you guys about. If you guys haven't seen my videos, then this is a bar soap from Amazon, and I bought the tin also from Amazon. I love it because it makes my eyebrows look like very fluffy and super, they just stay like this all day. This is not for everyone. My eyebrows are very thick on their own, so sometimes I'll just put this through my brows and call it a day. So now I'm going to go into my face. I only have this e.l.f. moisturizer. This is their matte oil control one. I've been liking it so far. I've had it for a long time, but I'm finally getting to use it. That really just helps control my oil. Sorry, I'm gonna turn off my phone. To start, I want to use this foundation from Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked one. I got a sample of it from Sephora. I'll put a picture of it, how it looks like right here. It's a newer foundation to their line. It's kind of been out for a while though. I got it in the shade 31 NN. I'll be right back after I blend it into my skin because my battery is dying. So with one layer of foundation, I can still see my skin underneath of it. And I can still see like the brush marks because I did use the Morphe Y7 to stipple it in. So I don't know how I feel about it, but I'll definitely keep y'all updated with this foundation on my Instagram stuff. And then for concealer, I'm still using the Too Faced one. I'm gonna quickly set everything with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake powder. Y'all know I love this powder. It smells so good. I wish they came out with a perfume because I would definitely buy it. For bronzer, I'm gonna use this NYC one. They don't sell this product anymore in the US, but I'm pretty sure on Amazon you can find it. To contour, I'm gonna use Hoola by Benefit. It just has like a different undertone, so it'd be better for the contouring part. Oh my God. For blush, I'm using ColourPop's Designer Collection, the Masquerade collection that I have a video all about. But this one is the Enchanted Mirror one that Belle has in her little duo. It's such a pretty, like, in-between pink and peach look. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that. Okay, awesome. So y'all know that I love to spray my face and then soplarme with my fan from Amazon. And for highlight, I'm going to use ColourPop by Becca. Where's my brush? I was waiting to do this part of my eyeshadow because I didn't want to ruin the concealer, but basically I want to create like an inner corner wing inside because I saw that Amanda Diaz did that in a picture and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't done that in such a long time. Let me try it out for this video. This is really hard. I'm going to line my eyes using a Nude Liner from Rimmel. So for my lower lash line, I just went in with Dawn and Fudge. This is really close to my lashes, and then this shade I used to blend everything out. And then I'm going to put some lower lash mascara, that's really important. I'm going to put a little bit of Champagne Pop in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, to finish this look, I'm going to use this Kim Kardashian lipstick in 90s style. And first I'm going to line my lips though with the NYX Slide On Glide On lip liner in Nude Suede shoes. And I'm going to top it off with a lip gloss by Dose of Colors. This is the one from the Desi and Katie collaboration. So it's called Over the Top. And it does have some like gold glitter running throughout it. And this is it, guys. This is how I achieve this look. If you loved it, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me like what you're doing for the holidays, or if you're gonna wear red lipstick or just go really intense on the eyes. I think I'm gonna do that because I like eating my pozole with freedom. I don't want to have any red lipstick right here. Y'all know the struggle. But yes, guys, I really hope that you enjoy, and I'll see y'all in my next video.